Three former San Antonio police officers appeared in court today. They're charged in connection to the death of Melissa Perez.
She is the woman investigators say was suffering a mental health crisis when she was shot and killed nearly 2 years ago. At today's hearing centered around evidence the defense says the state isn't handing over. KENS 5 reporter Megan Reyna with where the case stands now.
Outside the Justice Center, signs of support for the family of Melissa Perez, while inside the courtroom, they, along with the three accused former officers, sat and watched as attorneys argued over evidence in the case.
They have mechanisms to expose.
It was nearly 2 years ago in June of 2023 when investigators say the 46-year-old was suffering a mental health crisis and was shot by two SAPD officers. 3 officers, however, were fired, then indicted in the case. Alazar Alejandro and Alfred Flores are charged with murder, while Nathaniel Villalobos is charged with aggravated assault with a deadly weapon.
I choose to focus on my faith and pray and leave everything into God's hands.
Alexis Tovar is Perez's daughter. She says she has confidence in the district attorney's office to bring her family justice.
I've always made it very known that I'm very pro-police, but I do believe accountability should be taken where it's due, and I want systemic change all around.
Tuesday's hearing centered around a Brady request filed by the defense. The Brady rule requires prosecutors to hand over any evidence that could prove a defendant is innocent or could help them get a lighter sentence. However, the state says they've handed over all the evidence that exists.
It's really hard. Mother's Day, I'm at a cemetery and they're probably with their mom.
Tovar says she's staying strong and is thankful for the support from the community.
Just pray that justice prevails.
And as far as that request for the Brady, or as far as the motion for the Brady request, rather, the judge says he wants to take some time to consider it. It's unclear right now when the next hearing will be held, and a trial date has not been set yet. Reporting live downtown, Megan Reyna, KENS 5.
Megan, thank you.